So here you can see that I have my phone and ads just pop up anywhere, anytime. As soon as I click, ads start appearing like this at the top. How to stop these pop-up ads from appearing, how to fix this, we'll talk about that in today's video. I'll set this phone aside for now because too many ads will start popping up and I won't even be able to show you properly. To fix these ads, today I'm going to tell you about 2 steps. You need to go into your phone settings, then click on Network and Internet, and after that, click on Private DNS. Then, by clicking on Private DNS Provider hostname, enter dns.adguard.com and save it. Doing just this won't stop the ads from appearing. You can see here that I clicked, and once again, ads started showing up for me. First of all, you need to open your activity bar. As soon as you open the activity bar, look, I was in the settings here, and just look at how many of these apps are showing up. The app names written at the top are One Video and Downloaded Files. Look at this HD Video, that's also the name of this one, and as soon as you open this app, see, inside it, there's this thing called Telegram. But this is not the Telegram application, it's just some file. Look, here you have to long press like this, and as soon as you long press, you need to click on App Info. After going there, click on Storage and Cache, and then click on Clear Storage. For any such unknown apps that are showing up, you need to clear storage and clear cache for all of them, then come back and uninstall them from here. These are the very apps that are showing you ads. And look, apart from this, I also have an app called HD Video showing up here. You can check this one as well. Otherwise, just read the name from here and go straight to your settings. Go directly to Settings, scroll down and open the Apps section on your phone. So here, if you look under Recent, you'll see that no app is showing up right now. When you go back, you'll see that in the recently opened apps section, apps like HD Video and Download File are now visible. But when you click on All 100, they won't be shown. To see them, you need to turn on the Dock Theme mode on your phone from here. So here, you'll see an app, like, for example, Albums, where there will be an empty space above it with either a black icon or some text written there. You just need to open that app directly. If you know the name of the app, just click on it to open it, and after that, go to Storage and Cache and apply the same process. Then, after going back, click on Uninstall to remove it. By doing this, the unwanted ads on your phone will stop appearing.